Hey guys, so for our last lesson in thermodynamics, we'll be talking about heat engines, efficiency, and the Carnot cycle. So heat engines are devices that convert heat into work. So they take whatever is hot and they put that heat into cold objects. So examples of these would be heaters and water boilers because they take heat and then input it into either your circulating air to make your room hotter, or they put it into water so that your water gets warm. And here's a diagram showing what exactly it does. It takes heat from a hot source and it takes it to the cold sink, which is colder than the hot sink. So you're going from somewhere with a high thermal energy, high heat, to a low heat. So you're gonna have some leftover heat energy that you can work with. So that's what you exactly